Okay, before we get started on creating our first page, I want to introduce you to one of my absolute favorite plugins of all time. And I introduce it here because it's one that I use a lot in my creation of pages and posts, and it saves so much time and headache. If you've never blogged before, then you might not be familiar with what I'm talking about. But if you have ever tried to blog before and you want it to line up, even have any sort of columns or have a picture on one side and text on the other and have it look even and good, and you felt extremely frustrated not knowing how to do it, and even me, someone that understands quite a bit about code and how to do things with code, in a WordPress document, this was, it just always made me want to pull my hair out trying to get just the right look until I found this amazing plugin. So we're going to jump over here to plugins and we're going to click add new. We currently don't really have any at all done. And we're going to see if I can remember what it's called. Of course my mind would go blank as soon as I think, okay. I always just look up site origin. Yeah, it's such a weird name, and hopefully it will come up. Widgets bundle. Let's see if that pulls it up. There are so many out there, it gets really difficult sometimes to know how to find the right one, and I do not know why this isn't pulling up. Okay, I am going to quickly look in the back end of one of my websites to get the name of it. I apologize, I thought that this would be easier and I should have done it before I even jumped on the video. Okay, here we go. Page Builder. That's what it is. Okay, so we are going to come back here. Page Builder by site origin. But if we just put in Page Builder, I'm pretty sure it comes up. There we go. Page Builder by site origin. And all we're going to do is click Install Now. And then we're going to activate. And then we're going to go back over here, Page Builder, widget, no, let's see. Well, it will show us when we get ready to need to use it. So now I'm just going to show you real quick on installed plugins. Here we have our Page Builder. And if you view details, it can give us a little bit of information. Oh, and here's the site origin widgets bundle that we also want to add. So I'm just going to click on this. And we're going to click, well, I don't want to do download. So and come back over here to add new. And I think the reason it wasn't working before was because I had them as two different words. So site origin widgets bundle. Here we go. Install. And this just, they work together. They're by the same company. This one would give the responsive pages, but this one gives you a bunch of different widget options, and they just, I used to just do the one and then I would always get asked for it. So I like to do these two together. Once those are done, now we're going to go, we'll build a page in the next video, but you've got your first 2 plugins here, and watch the next video on creating our first page where I show you how we use these handy new plugins. Thanks for joining me.